Okay. Before we learn that if I have number, if I have noun, between number and noun, we need to have measure word, right? For example, say 一个孩子 right? 三个同学 for example, right? So we learn the measure word we need, yes. So for people, we say 一个人、两个人、三个人 Okay, so it's like so it's number for example say 三个人So we have many measure words. So step by step we will learn. For now, everything you use "ge" is fine. Okay. Later we will use the correct one. So for people "ge", now we are in circle, right? Do you know what's circle's meaning?
Head of the snake. Head of the snake.
No,
snake.
Not head.
Mouth.
Yes. Circle, the meaning means snakes, the mouse.
Mouth.
So 口 means mouse. Yes, so circle. 蛇 is snake. Yes, snake, mouse.
What Nanshan mean?
Nanshan is a mountain name.
South. Mountain is called Nanshan?
No, it's a south mountain. Yes.
Okay.
So, 口 is mouse, like 蛇口. Okay, snake, mouse. So 口 also measure word for people. So for example, you can say 三口人 But for this one, only for family member. For example, say how many people at your family, in your family, say, oh, my family have 5 people or 4 people, 3 people. So then you use 口. But you still can use 个. Why use 口 for family member? That's from history. Because long time ago, China was very poor, so we didn't have enough food. So government offers food. So, but each family, how much food should give you? So depends on how many mouths eat. That's why we use 口 to count. Yeah, that came from why use 口 for people in the family. But you still can use 个, okay? Because today this lesson use 口. So why use 口 for people? Usually only for family member. 口. Okay, now let's see the first dialogue. First, we see the new word. The first new word, how to say? How to read? 家, right? 家 means family, home. 家. First, we see the new word. So 家 is family. 有 we learned already, right? 口 just explain. Okay, let's see the first dialogue. Who read the first dialogue? Yes. Okay, so 你家有几口人？我家有3口人。The meaning 是 your family has how many people? My family had 3 people. Yes. Okay, here, what's the meaning 几? So 几 is a question for how many. How many, how much? Actually, so far we learned 2 words. Today, 几. Remember before we learned how to say how much money? Yes. 多少钱 is ask the price, right? So 多少钱 钱是 money, 多少 means how many, how much. Yes. Actually, we learn two. 多少. So how many, how much, the same. We use 多少 or 几. So what's the difference? The difference that 多少 for any situation, any numbers. So 几 usually for what the quantity small, usually less 10. Okay, normally less 10. Less than 10 means the number small. That's why here, because now every family, not like before, so many people, right? Every family, maybe 2 people, 3, 4, right? Not like before, 20, 30. That's why we use 几口人. Yes. So this for the number is a small number. Normally people use 几 to ask. 多少 doesn't matter. Can for small number, big number. Yes.
If you say like this, teacher,